So we've moved through the process of the Beautiful You hair experience, and we are now coming to the end. This is the bit where it's a little bit magical. This is the bit where you really feel the pamper. This is the time where you can either choose to have a blow wave styled finish. You may also have chosen to add on a cut. So you may have had a cut as well too, and that will have been discussed in the holistic consultation as to what that would look like. But we're now at the final stage where we're blow waving and having a styled finish. You can choose to have that full blow wave. You know, if you're going out somewhere special, for example, what a great opportunity to have some pamper time, and then be able to go out and really sort of feel confident and feel really, really good about yourself out there in the world. And if you're not doing that, if you would like to use the end stage as more of a tutorial, for example, you can choose to do that. So a lot of clients will go, no, I'd like to really, really drill down a little bit on all those hints and tips that you gave me. I'd really like to sort of see how you apply that product properly, and if I'm looking to show a particular styling technique, or then that's the time that I will often offer up all of those opportunities, and at the end of the day, it's up to you, the client, which one you decide to go with to complete your Beautiful You hair experience in salon. Whatever it is, it's whatever's right for you on the day, knowing that you can always come back and have a blow wave styled finish at any time, either with a cut and blow wave or just as a standalone service. Because what's not to love about having your hair really done really nicely when you're going out somewhere special, so that makes you feel special as well too. So this is the completion of the series of videos about the Beautiful You hair experience. If there's any other questions that you have, anything else you want to know, please don't hesitate to reach out, get in touch. I'd be happy to answer anything that you're have a query on or concerned about. And yeah, otherwise I will look forward to seeing you in salon, and if it's not mine, then another hair coach's salon too. Thanks.